Is a rational function question, and you have to do a partial fraction decomposition to find what is into two different fractions. Okay, so a rational function, if you want to break it into two different functions or three different fractions, you do partial fraction decomposition, something that we have done before. Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, first, now that's 3 minus 2x, and then you have x squared plus 4. Okay, so let's solve this step by step. Okay, first thing, since it's x squared plus 4, it's irreducible, so you should have a over 3 minus 2x, and then the next one is x squared plus 4, so you have bx plus c over x squared plus 4. Okay, now let's find out what is bx, what is a, b, and c. So at this stage, what I'm going to do this simple normal multiplication, or making the denominator same. So to do that, I'm going to times a with x squared plus 4 over 3 minus 2x, and I'm going to times here with x squared plus 4, and then plus b, I'm going to times this by bx. Okay, so that is bx plus c. Okay, I'm going to times this by 3 minus 2x over, okay, what is already there, x squared plus 4, and I'm going to times this by 3 minus 2x. Okay, so our common denominator at this stage will be basically 3 minus 2x, okay, and then x squared plus 4. That is our common denominator. Okay, so on top I have a, okay, the numerator is a multiplied by x squared plus 4, then plus b x plus c, multiply that by 3 minus 2x. Okay, now let's expand. Okay, when you expand that, you have a you have a x squared plus 4a plus 3bx minus 2bx squared plus 3c minus 2cx. You have to take extra care whenever you expand, because students tend to make mistakes, so please make sure that you take extra care whenever you expand. And then you have the denominator, which is 3 minus 2x and x squared plus 4. Okay, so at this stage I'm just going to write what's on top, which is the numerator, and I'm going to collect all the like terms. So I'm going to have ax squared and negative 2bx squared, so it's a minus 2b bracket x squared, and then we have x and x. Okay, so it should be, if I put it into brackets, should be 3b minus 2cx, and then plus what's left, 3c plus 4a. Okay, now let's change color. Okay, now 3b minus 2c, this is equal to, let's look at what do we have? The coefficient of x is 1. So 3b minus 2c equals to 1. And then we have a minus 2b, which is the coefficient of x squared, which is what we have. We have 5. Okay, so that's 5. And the last one, standalone, 3c plus 4a equal to, what do we have? Positive 6. Okay, it's positive 6. Okay, now let's solve this. So that's 1, that's 2, and that is number 3. Okay, so I'm gonna sub 2 into 3. Can I do that? Okay, let's do that. So 3c, okay, I'll change color to make it easier. Okay, I have 3c plus 3c plus 4, and what's a? A is 5. Okay, over here, a is 5 plus 2b. Okay, so I'm going to sub that. So 5 plus 2b, and this is equals to 6. Okay, 3c plus 4a equals to 6. And then you expand that, so it should be 3c plus 20 plus 8b. This is equals to 6. So 3c, oops, some technical glitch. Okay, so equals to 6. So 3c plus 8b equals to 6 minus 20, which is negative 14. Okay, next step. So we already have 3b and 2c. So if I swap this, this should be 8b plus 3c, which is negative 14. Okay, so now we have that, and then I have another equation, number 1. So I can solve equation, let's say this is equation 4. Solve equation 4 and equation 1. Okay, change color again. So it should be 8b plus 3c equals to negative 14, and 3b minus 2c equals to 1. 3b minus 2c equals to positive 1. Okay, now let's solve this. So before we solve, we have to multiply each other. Okay, times this by 2, times this by 3, so it should give me 16b plus 6c equals to negative 28, and 9b minus 6c equals to positive 3. Okay, now I can solve. Okay, when I solve 16 minus 9, which is plus. Okay, so 16 plus 9, which is 25b, so that's minus, and there should be negative 28 plus 3, which is negative 25. There you go. I think our answer is correct. So b equals to negative 1. Okay, the moment you get a whole number, I think you'll be confident. Okay, I don't think so you'll have many mistakes after this. Okay, so now b is 1, so let's solve. Find what is c. So c or a. Okay, a is just now, a is 5 plus 2b. Okay, so a is 5 plus 2b, so 5 plus 2 times this by negative 1, so which is 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. And what is C? So C is, from here we get, so that's E equals to -1, A equals to -3. So what is C? So just pick one of it. So 3B minus 2C equals to 1. So -3 minus 2C equals to +1. -2C equals to, okay, -2C equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4. So C equals to -2. Okay, now let's rewrite all of it. Okay, so now 5x squared, okay, 5x squared plus x plus 6 over 3 minus 2x bracket x squared plus 4. This is equal to A, which is, what do we have? A is positive 3, so this is same as A is positive 3. 3 over 3 minus 2x plus b bx plus c. So b is -1, so I'm going to write -x, and c is -2, okay, over x squared plus 4. So if I simplify this, you get 3 over 3 minus 2x minus x plus 2 over x plus 2 over x squared plus 4. Okay, so that's, okay, it's a lot of work, but if you follow the steps one by one, you should not make any mistake. Okay, I like to take extra measure when I do, so that I don't make any mistake. Thanks.